Yo, what's up, guys? So this will be a little progress video, I suppose, on the old basement so far. I don't know, I'll put in some of the clips I've got so far probably after this, but yeah, this is where I'm at. I'm framing up the walls for the bathroom right now. Well, the last wall, I mean, I got the shower kind of laid. I kind of got a little flooring down, finished all the underground for the shower, sink, toilet, redid that, put that wall up. Don't remember what you guys have seen and what you haven't, honestly, but got a little bulletin board with all my bills on it. Rip. But yeah, this is about where I'm at so far. There's the toilet. I'm gonna try and do this wall with these 2x4s because I should have enough after I frame this up. I gotta put a wall here, but it's minor. It's only gonna go to there, so yeah, that'll be next. And then we'll be spanking on this wall, which is gonna be nice. Turn this into the utility room finally. I think I'm gonna put a doorway here, wall here, leave this open and do that kind of framing thing, what you may call it. But yeah, that's the basic plan. I gotta see where this corner is gonna line up with here with how I want to do the wall, because that part will be a little difficult. Thinking I might put it on this side of this little drainage, but we'll see, because I could line it up right here on the outside of this, because that's in the way. So I could maybe go right here. Problem with that though is then I end up over here, like here, which is no big deal really, because like I could make this doorway a 2x4 width narrower, you know. I mean, I could put a faceboard here, call it a freaking day. Really, if I wanted to, I could just take this one out and make it wider. If I just put another one in, you know, over. I don't know. I ain't that worried about it right now, but yeah. So that's just kind of what I've been up to. So I'll show you how this looks when I get this done. I'm gonna, like I said, spank some of this out, and I'll show you what I get. I'd make a time lapse, but guys, freaking beat, all right? Cut me some slack here. I'm doing my best. All right, boys, this ain't done yet. I gotta put 2 more supports in, but that's about all I'm doing today, to be honest, because I got to go to the gym and eat, and I'm hungry. So yeah, we'll get back after it tomorrow. All right, boys. Yo, so basically, it's gonna end that video. I don't know. I was just kind of throwing the clips in I had from around, because I've been working on it for a while down there, like 6 months, and I haven't made any videos on it. It's pretty shitty, piss poor, quick little run through kind of video, but it's really more like a photo dump than anything, to be honest with you. I'll have better videos out soon, but for now, this is that's what you're getting. But you know, that's gonna end this video. When I get home in 2 weeks, I'm gonna dump like 2K into the materials and shit, so I'm gonna get a lot more done down there, and then I'll actually have a good video, you know, a sweet little transition from it looking like nothing to looking half decent, because right now it still looks like nothing. But yeah, so that's the end. Outro, conclusion, the end.